Hey, hope you're all doing well today and welcome to the Tegiwa YouTube channel. I know it's been quite some time since I was last on camera talking to you all, but I thought it suited today with us recently smashing over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which I want to say thank you to every single one of you for helping us reach it, as you have now enabled us to live stream content from our mobile phones and our GoPros. So that means more content, especially when we're out on track. You'll be taken along the journey on track or events, as well as being strapped inside the car for some real-time driving. And once again, myself and the whole team at Tegiwa want to thank you all for subscribing and want to give a little something back to you all, being a 5% discount code which you can use on our site tegiwa.com. So be sure to subscribe to the channel for more discount codes and special offers in the future. While we're on the topic of offers, Yellow Speed Racing are doing a unique community offer, which on the 25th of every month we discount a set of dynamic Pro Sport coilovers over a 10-day period on European and Japanese cars. This month's community offer is on a Nissan Silvus and a Volkswagen Scirocco. So if you was thinking about buying some for the mentioned cars, I'd be quick as this offer ends on the 3rd of August and a new community offer won't start till the 25th. Moving on to some more exciting news, British GT is starting tomorrow, which is the qualifying day, and then Sunday it's race day. Our drivers Luke and Dave will be racing our BMW M4 GT4, however it would have been prepared by Century Motorsport. We will also be in the pits alongside them, capturing everything that unfolds, as well as our onboard cameras capturing the action with our drivers. So I can't wait for the weekend, but that's not all. Not only are we attending British GT, you will also see us at Cadwell for Time Attack on the 15th and 16th of August. So it's going to be a busy month full of content. However, before Cadwell, we'll have the highlights video uploaded soon from the last Time Attack event at Alton, along with more track days with us at Tegiwa, and of course, product features and more. As some of you might have seen, we've been having a few slight changes in the workshop, one big feature being the wall. I won't go into too much detail over it, but over the next few weeks as things begin to get finalised, we'll be vamping up on employee and customer car features, as well as unboxings and how-to videos, so I cannot wait for this. And finally, we have now added J's Racing to the list of brands that we now stock at Tegiwa, which means we've got their whole range available on our site, tegiwa.com. That's pretty much all I wanted to address for this video, so once again I wanted to say thank you all for subscribing and helping us reach 1,000 subscribers, and I cannot wait to get more content out for you all in the future. So thanks you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.